होस्ट एंड दोस्त डॉक्टर भारती कुंजू। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर पहली बार आए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें, और अगर आप मेरे साथ पहले से जुड़े हुए हैं तो थैंक यू सो वेरी मच। बहुत सारे लोगों ने मुझे ये बोला कि आप क्या स्ट्रेचेस करते हो नॉर्मल रूटीन में, हमें क्या फुल बॉडी स्ट्रेचेस करने चाहिए। तो मैं आज आपको वो सारे स्ट्रेचेस दिखाऊंगी जो मैं खुद अपने लाइफ में कर रही हूँ। होप आप सबको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगेगा। तो वो स्ट्रेचेस को देखने के लिए वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखें। आइए हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। Let's begin in a comfortable seated position. First, we'll do the neck stretches. Take your left ear towards your left shoulder. Pull it from your left arm. Press it down from your right fingers to the floor. Do this for 3 to 4 breaths. Now release. Do it from another side. Right hand up on the head. Stretch it. Left hand on the mat. Stick here for 3 to 4 breaths. Now relax. Come into the tabletop position for cat-cow pose. Inhale up, exhale, belly down. Now extend your right foot to the right side. Your ankle, your knee, your hip should be in one line. Just give a nice twist. Left arm should be under the right arm. You can also take your right arm to the low back for more comfortable position. Now lift your right leg towards the left as far as you can. Look towards your shoulder. Push your right hip and you will feel very good stretch. Step your right foot to the outer edge of your right hand to the top of the mat. Palm are on the inside to the leg. Neck should be extended. Drooping the hips down. Lift your left knee off the mat. Inhale with easy twist. Looking at up only if you are comfortable. Now go into the downward facing dog. Keep your feet little bit wide and pedal the feet, bending one leg and straightening the another leg. Take deep breaths. Coming back to the tabletop position. Now we'll do all the stretches from the another side. Left foot towards the left side, right arm up, facing up to the sky. Now under the left arm, you can also bring your left arm to your lower back, as you can see in this video. Lift yourself back up. Now we'll do the lunging pose, or you can say lizard pose. Left foot over the right foot. Now coming back to the center, bring your left foot forward to the top of the mat, to the outer edge of your palms. Lifting the head up, pressing the hip forward and down. Lift the right knee up, or you can say off the mat. Lift your left arm up. Now we'll do the downward facing dog. Paddle your feet, bending your knee. Do it for 3 to 5 times. Let's walk on the hand to back of the mat, so knees bent. You can rest your belly on thighs, resting your spine, and do swing side to side. Keep your knees bent to feel good stretch over the hamstring. Feet should be little bit wide, and we'll do the squats. Release your hand and walk it forward into a plank pose. Now come into the cobra pose. Squeeze your shoulder blades. Now go back into the child pose. Do this for 3 to 4 breaths. Do this for 3 to 4 breaths. come back into the neutral position and we'll do the butterfly pose. As you can see, it will lengthening your spine, open up your pelvic. It also improve your flexibility. And let's end up with the supported shoulder stand. As you can see, I'm giving support from my arms. You can stick in this position. Or you can move your feet like a swing as I'm doing, if only it will be comfortable for you. Take a long breath and relax. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया है तो वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करें एंड कमेंट करके मुझे बताएं कि आप कितने स्ट्रेचेस कर रहे हो और कैसा आपको फील हो रहा है। एंड कमेंट बॉक्स में मुझे बताएं कि आपको फर्दर किस किस टॉपिक पे वीडियोस चाहिए। टिल देन स्टे सेफ, स्टे हेल्थी, स्टे फिट।